Hi, in this video, we will see how to use simpliRP ERP data to create a pivot table in Excel spreadsheet. We will also see how to copy-paste data from simpliRP ERP to Excel spreadsheet. We will take the example of list of customer sales order. Just copy the report, and then paste the copied data to Excel spreadsheet. In the Insert menu, there is a pivot chart. Click that. It will take you to the pivot panel. Keep a watch on the right side panel. Then please carefully watch the example. You can also change the chart type. You can experiment more yourselves. Please feel free to contact us to know about more features. Thank you.